Lumens, your success, our focus.
In this video, we will show you how to install the Lumens Deployment Tool. We will then give you an introduction to the software and an overview of the interface. This guide is designed to help IT and AV teams manage multiple LC200 devices. The video is divided into 3 parts. Step 1. Let's start by looking at the basic equipment you need. All you need is a Windows 10 computer and our Lumens Deployment Tool software. Go to the Download section on the Lumens website. Search Lumens Deployment Tool and download the installation file. Step 2. Install the software on your PC. Click the installation file of Lumens Deployment Tool. Follow the instructions to install the software. Open Lumens Deployment Tools. Type in username and password, then click Login. By default, both the username and password are admin. Step 3. Now the application is installed, let's take a look at the interface and menus. There are 4 key tools: device management, project scheduling, real-time monitoring, and version information. In the Device tab, click on the search icon to discover devices on the local network. Select the device and click the Controls drop-down menu. You now have the option to reboot, enable standby, or wake up the device. Click on the Action drop-down menu to log into a device or remove it from the list. In the Group tab, you can create and add multiple devices to a group. Click the Edit icon to change group settings. Click the Delete icon to remove the group. In the Configuration tab, you can change the system date and time. You can also find system event logs here. Click the User tab to update the username and password. In the Work Schedule tab, click Create to schedule the device to record, live stream, standby, or wake up. You can click Export and Import button to manage the work schedule in a third-party app. In the Real-Time Video tab, you can view live video images and control your LC200 device. The About tab identifies your software version. If you have any questions, you can scan the QR code to reach out to a Lumens technical expert. We will demo how to use basic and advanced features in the next video. See you soon. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime.
For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.